Hello, welcome to this amazing property in Olkeri, Ngong area. And most importantly, to an affordable house within Ngong. This area is a prime area and has become one of the most attractive area for residential development. So, today we are on one of the units. It is an 80 by 40 plot. It is a 3-bedroom bungalow, all ensuite, and as I said, going for Kenya shillings 7.8 million. So you have this parking, as you can see, it's a big one. This one would fit comfortably 2 vehicles, very comfortably, and also you have an advantage of adding maybe some green areas you may like, but it has a light fence that separates one unit from the other. You can see we have some light fences, small plant planted here, the other side the same way, so that ensures that you have that nature blending with this environment. So now let's get to see the house. No, but before we do that, the back of the house, but I'll show you part of it. There is the hanging lines, that's the bucket of this house, and just that, not much, because there's not much space left behind the house. Much of the space, it is at the front end of this house. So let's get to see the house and see what it has for us. So when you get to this house, one thing that catches your eye, it is the quality of the finishes done in this house. That is one thing that I noticed, and any client who have come to this house, surely they just notice it. So you can see the color done, you can see the finishes were done. The developer decided to do white, and I like how he has blended white, because he has done, look, the tiles are white, the walls are white, so it's just a blending of white and some few black. You see it, and I like, because he has done this black almost in every part of the house, and you're gonna like it. Look, the chandelier is a contemporary LED chandelier, and it just look amazing, and I also like the gypsum, how it is done. So from there, we get now to the dining area of this house. On my sides, we have the bedrooms on this side and this side. But first, let's see the dining area. It's a good one. I like the quality of the tilings. At every done, it would fit maybe 6 people comfortably. And there you have your washing hand sink right there. Then you have this now kitchen coming this end. What I like is how the developer of this, I like, if there's one thing I can commend this developer, it's the designing and the quality. They are just perfect. So the kitchen, you can see from here, you have the provision for your fridge right here. This would fit even a side-by-side fridge right there. Then you have these upper spaces, and that is, you can call them upper cabinetry, as well as the lower cabinetry. Maybe they are a bit fewer, but he has supplemented that with the pantry. So you also have a cooker. That is the provision for the cooker right here, and also a provision for your hood. You just add your hood right there. Then you can see the socket around. You can put other appliances, including a blender, or even that is something else you may like, the kitchen appliances. Then you have here, you have your modern sink with 2 sinks. At the moment, he has not added the tap, but he will add it later. Then you can see the tiling, how he has done them. Then here you have the pantry, and just done well with some shelves to make sure you have enough storage for your things or for your kitchen items. So after the kitchen, we start with the master bedroom, and we have 2 bedrooms on this side. Let's start with the master bedroom. So on your entry, inside the master bedroom, you get this adequately spaced bedroom, and I like it because for the price of this house, this is just enough. Coming to this side, you have this wardrobe and well done. You can see them. And I like the quality that the developer has decided to use because you can see they are just big and they have ample spaces. Then on this side you have this mirror, then you have the ensuite bathroom right here, and I can tell you it's big enough to fit even a bathtub. It's just well done. Everything, the quality is just excellent. So after the master bedroom, now you get to see two of the bedrooms on this side. And here you have your, I think it's your cloak room or your shared bathroom, but I would call it a cloak room. And you can see the WC and the sink is just right there. Then you have this ensuite bedroom. This is the second bedroom in this house. And as I said, it's just enough, it's spacious, it is at the corner, and show you there's ample lighting, and also it's just spacious enough for you. You have your wardrobe right there, and there's also ensuite with your bathroom just right here. So from there, we have the last bedroom or the third bedroom in this house. And as you can see, it's the same concept as the second bedroom. For now, there's some work in camp, so they're taking some electricity from here to the other rooms. But you can see it is of the same concept. It's big. What I like about this house, the developers ensure there's ample spaces for these houses. So that is it. And something else I forgot to tell you, it is this balcony right here. So this balcony, you can, from your living area, you can just walk to this balcony and you get just to see your compound, the community and everything, and you can even rest there. So we have come at the end of this house tour. As I said, it's a house in Ngong, Olkeri, just a few minutes from the tarmac road. I would say maybe 5 minutes from the tarmac road, and you have access to current or direct to Nairobi CBD. So if you are seeking for accessibility and a place to raise your family, I would recommend these houses because they are just nice, and it's also a community, ensure there's even security. So this house, as I said earlier, goes for Kenya shilling 7.8 million. Currently where we are, all these houses are sold out because of their affordability. But there's an ongoing project that you can book yours, that you could book yours. So if you want a site visit, we can take you here or even to the ongoing project so that you can see yourself and book a house for yourself as a buyer or as an investor. So if you want to contact us, there's a number on top of the screen. Just feel free to contact us. My name is Gerard Mago, and this is Prime African Estates.